nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I actually was not gonna film a look today, but this just came. I took it out of the box already, so I'm not showing the box. The Morphe times the Morphe and James Charles collaboration. I already started this side, obviously, but because I wasn't gonna film, but I'll just film this look and then I'll do my review after in a different video, because this would be a long video if we did them together. So I'm going to go first into the shade Tune, which is this shade here, this big one, and I'm going to use it to set my concealer. And of course I am using a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe E14. Then this like golden brown shade here is called Punch Me, which is this one here. That's what I put right on top of the Tune shade using that same brush. I just cleaned it off. This is actually a very pretty color. I just mixed those two together. I will say that I like the fact that with this palette there's the little insert that you can keep inside instead of some postcard. No shade, just saying. Because with the Jaclyn Hill palette, the first go around, I lost that postcard. Like, within the first week, I lost the postcard. And because I want today's look not to be too hectic or too crazy, I'm going to go into this gold shade first, called Wig, this one here, on my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and just put that on top of Punch Me. That name sounds so weird. Then I'm going to go into these two shades here. I'm going to mix them together. So this is Ring Light, and this is So Good. I'm going to mix them together on the same brush, cleaned it off, and put that just like right in this area of each eye. Then I'm going to take this shimmery blue shade here called Acapella, and I am going to put that on the outer and inner corners just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a little. Like, literally gonna just dip, and poke. On my Morphe M156. Then I'm going to take the opposite end of that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush to smoke this out so it's not as dark. It's just like it's like a little shadow, but not too much of a shadow, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense, because saying it out loud I sound crazy, but in my head it sounded good. So the lid look, sorry I keep looking down my phone, I'm talking to my friend. The lid look is actually done. I like this a lot because it's So simple, yet it's effective for what I was going for today. Anyway, I'm going to go and do foundation and everything off camera. Come back to do the lower lash line, and then we'll be done. So I did everything else off camera literally because the focus is the eye look because of this new palette. For the lower lash line, I am going to take the same blue shade Acapella, which is this one, and then the shade called Hello. I'm going to put them together, first starting with Acapella, and then as we go forward, it's going to become Hello. And for the inner corner, because why not, I'm going to take that same shade ring light, which is this one, and put that in my inner corners because it's so pretty. So I'm going to go change and pick a lipstick and then come back with basically the finished look. I'll put the lipstick on camera, of course, but this part is done. So I don't have any, my hair's still wet, when is my hair not wet, any Morphe lips anymore. The one that I did have, the little lip gloss in the tube thingy, I used that all because it was lip gloss, so I was using it every day. So I'm going to take these three babies. I have the Bretman Rock Glossy Lip in I See You, the Lippy Pencil Bretman Rock Dukes, and then the Jeffree Star Family Jewels. Going to combine them all to finish this look. Sorry about the lipstick stain. I totally forgot to turn my ring light on, so if it looks brighter, that's because I accessed my ring light. Didn't do that before. If you're wondering why there's a hat on my head, it's cold in Korea and my hair's still wet. So I'm not trying to die or catch pneumonia. I'd rather not. I added Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife to my Cupid's bow. Sorry I keep pulling on my clothes, but I don't know. I do this a lot during the day. Just, I don't know. Anyway, this is a finished look. I like it. I like it a lot. It's giving me Ice Queen vibes again, even though my whole face isn't Ice Queen like, but this eye, I like it, I like it, I like it. I also used Uranus Skin Frost today, so if I look brighter here, it's because I used the pale yellow Skin Frost shade, or pale gold, I don't know how you would classify this, but that's the one I use instead of King Tut, because I usually use King Tut, which is gold, but this, it's not gold, it's brighter. And my hair is doing all types of weird stuff. No baby hairs today because I'm too lazy. Except for right here. But, so my forehead is literally out there. And that's okay. That's right. I like this look though. I'm going to film a video reviewing the entire palette and doing some swatches, even though people have done it already, whatever. Everybody different. So that's it for this video. That hurt. I will see you all later. Bye.